Hello children, today we are going to learn vegetables. So our first vegetable is potato, potato, tomato, tomato, carrot, carrot, cauliflower, cauliflower, cabbage, cabbage, onion, onion, ladyfinger, ladyfinger, radish, radish, brinjal, brinjal, pumpkin, pumpkin,